Welcome back to another healthy longevity recipe. I'm Dr. Joanette. I've been an ER doctor now for over 30 years, and I'm passionate about helping you live longer and be healthier throughout your whole life. And one of the ways that I do that is I love to cook and create healthy longevity recipes. Today's recipe is a protein, fiber first, healthy, delicious snack bar. So let's get cooking. To get started, we're going to get started with some almond butter. I make my own almond butter, but you can purchase it as well. Make sure that when you purchase it though, you want almond butter that's all natural. You don't want a lot of added spices, sugar, preservatives, etc. to it. If you want to learn how to make your own nut butters and almond butters, go to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com, and there is a recipe there. Actually, just scroll down right to the links below. You can find my website. It'll take you out there, and you can get this recipe for how to make your own delicious homemade protein, high protein almond butter. The reason I like almond butter is it's a lot lower in carbohydrates than some of your other nut butters, especially peanut butter. And I'm adding about 1.5 cups of almond butter to the bowl. And to that, I am adding Vital Proteins with collagen powder. Again, scroll down right to those links below and you can find a link for where you can purchase the Vital Protein with collagen fiber. This powder that you saw me put in, it was about 1/3 cup, and it has 60 grams of protein in it. Delicious, high protein powder. And to that, I'm also adding 1/3 cup of sweetener. This is monk fruit sweetener. And it's a little hard to mix up, so I get my mixer and mix it up with the mixer. To that, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of coconut flour. Mix that in. You can see it's very dry and crumbly. And that's the way it's supposed to be at this point. Just kind of mixing everything together here. And to that, I am adding high protein, the Oikos Pro, 20 grams of protein per 5.3 ounces of Greek yogurt. No sugar added to this. This is a sugar-free recipe, low-carb recipe. And because it's high protein, high fiber, low carb, it will help keep your blood sugar stable throughout the day. If you're having trouble with your energy drops throughout the day, one of the best things you can do is incorporate more protein and fiber into your diet. And before I get it all mixed up here, I want to add a little vanilla, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and about 1/4 teaspoon of some sea salt, Himalayan pink sea salt. And let's get that all mixed up. So you can see this is really thick and normal, and I got kind of everything all over the counter, but that's okay. We're going to throw it in and get this off. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually microwave this to get it nice and smooth and kind of melt it before we pour it into our pan. When you get the Vital Proteins with collagen, you can get either the unflavored or the vanilla flavored, whichever you prefer. I'm using the vanilla flavored today, but I like the unflavored one as well. So we're going to microwave this about 1 minute. That softens it up so that it's now much easier to get into our pan to chill. If you love healthy longevity recipes, thank you for subscribing to this channel and liking as well as sharing. All of that helps me continue to bring you these healthy longevity recipes. So next step is we're going to line. I've got lined our 8x8 baking pan. We're not going to bake this, but we're using a baking pan with some parchment paper, and into that I am pressing some prunes. Some people like dates. I like the prunes because they have a lot less carbohydrates than the dates, and they have a lot more fiber than the dates as well. So, but they have a fair amount of fiber, or they have a fair amount of carbohydrates in them. So what I do is I cut them in half to help me spread them out a little bit, and just press them into the bottom of the pan there. You're going to be using about 1/2 cup of prunes total. Prunes are also great if you are having problems with constipation. They help, that extra fiber in them helps regulate your digestive system. Great way to add prunes to your diet. And now we're gonna just press our nice soft almond butter bar into the mixture on top of the prune mixture. And make that all about the same thickness here. Once it's microwaved, it softens up and you can press it in there really easily. And the final step, we want to pour a little melted chocolate over the top. Nice, rich, dark chocolate. I use a Lily's brand, linked right down below. And it's sugar-free, 85% cocoa. When you're using dark chocolate, you want to get at least 70% cocoa and get sugar-free if you can find it. That is beautifully melted. I like to add a little shortening to, about a quarter of a teaspoon of shortening to. This is 2.8 ounces of chocolate that I've melted. And I add about a quarter of a teaspoon of shortening to it to help it melt a little better, keep it a little smoother. And it doesn't prevent it from setting up nice and firm, but it does definitely help it melt. Also, if you like crunchies in your protein bars, then go ahead and add a little nuts or chocolate chips or coconut, whatever you like. Chop up some more almonds or pecans or macadamia nuts. All of them are delicious as an add-in into your protein bar. And I'm just smoothing this all around here. Get all that delicious chocolate in here. Total carbs for these bars is about 5 grams of carbs if you cut it into 16 bars. If you cut it into 12 bars, it's about 8 grams. Okay, now that's got to go in the refrigerator for several hours, about 3-4 hours. We'll take it out, cut it, and give it a try. Our homemade high protein bars are all chilled, and this is what I love about the parchment sling. You can lift it right out of the pan, put it on your cutting board, and it just makes it super easy to cut it. These delicious protein bars are a protein fiber first snack bar. However, they also are low carbohydrates. You know how we've been taught to always count calories, look at the calories, check the calories? I want you to think of today, start thinking about a different way at looking, especially if you're trying to lose weight or eat healthy. Instead of looking at the calories, look at the carbohydrate content and begin to count your carbohydrates. When you start to count your carbohydrates, what you end up doing is becoming much more aware of how many carbohydrates there are in things. And your goal would be if you want to be healthy and eat healthier, aim for 60 grams of carbohydrates a day. If you want to lose weight, then cut those amount of carbs down to about 40 or even as low as 20 grams of carbohydrates a day. And you'll find that you don't even have to worry about cutting the calories. You can eat more calories as long as you keep within those ranges for carbohydrates. Let's cut up this snack bar I'm going to cut it up into, I think, about 18 bars here. And the prunes are probably the hardest part to cut up. So I'm going to cut this into like 3 sections. And that delicious, extra dark chocolate of all of and it'll crack. The chocolate may crack a little bit, but that's fine. I'm going to move this just over here right now. You can see all those nice prunes on the bottom, good fiber. And these I'm gonna cut into 3 sections each. That gives you about 18 servings. Let's give these delicious snack bars a try. High protein, homemade high protein snack bars. Those are really good. And they would even be better. Well, I like them just like this. But if you like a little crunchiness, then add some crunchy mix-ins, like some chopped nuts or coconut or something like that. But these are delicious just the way they are. Thank you so much I need another bite of those. Those are really good. So good. Nice and chewy too. Oh, here's the other thing. You want to keep these in the fridge because of that yogurt in them. But they don't get too firm when they're in the fridge. Love them. Try freezing them and eating them cold. They're delicious that way as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. And for this full recipe, make sure you go to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com. Also, I appreciate it when you like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you next time on the Dr. Joanette channel.